Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchi Tech. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. So what I have for you today is the Caseology Parallax case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we have the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we got the Caseology case here. And the one we got here is the Midnight Blue case. This is the closest one I could get to match this Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're gonna unbox this, put this on our iPhone and see what it looks like. Okay, but before I get into this unboxing here, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. So as you can see, we have a pretty nice pattern here on this based on the picture we have. So as I said before, this is the Midnight Blue Caseology case. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box here, take it out, see what it looks like. All right, so there it is. Let's put the box aside for now. Take this out of the plastic here. This aside. We do have our regular paper here with their welcome to the club, we're happy to have you thing from Caseology. So these are the typical stuff you get with the case. So here is the case, guys. So we have like some grooves cut out in here. I guess this is done for shock absorption, so if the phone falls, kind of helps to protect it. And around the edges here, you can see there's a nice blue bumper around here, smooth, squared off just like the iPhone, and it does have a nice blue color to it here. Has the Caseology logo right here on the side, has the cutout for the power button right here. So this feels really nice and clicky, guys. This cutout here for the power button here, this nice soft button right here. And the volume rockers, we have the volume up and down here as well. Nice and rubbery, feels really nice nice and clicky, not too hard. And we do have the cutout here for the silent on and off switch. And for the back, we have the nice patterns here. Wow, feels really nice. And this, it's a TPU. It says TPU here, but it does feel more plasticky. It doesn't feel too rubbery. Like it's not easy to scratch, because I'm rubbing my fingernails all over here and haven't seen any scratches. Still intact, still looks really nice. We do have a little lip here, a little hump right here for the camera cutout. So if you put this down on your phone down on the back, it does protect the cameras. It's not scratching on the surface or anything. This kind of gives it a little lip, so it does protect it if you put it on the back. And have a little pattern here with the plastic, with the bumper here coming across the back. Nice little design. Pretty much when you look at this, it pretty much gives it a nice look. Has the Caseology logo here as well. All right, so as we said before, this side looks really nice. Put this next to the iPhone. As you can see, it's a different blue, but it does still look good with the phone next to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the phone, see what we're working with here. So I'm gonna try and get this on without removing the bumper from the rubber. All right, nice little lip, there we go. So now we got that installed on the phone. It does have a nice little lip over the front here of the phone to give it some nice protection. If you do put it down on the face like this, gives it a nice raise off the surface, protects it really well. On the back here where you have the camera cutout, wow, gives it a nice little lip here to protect it when you put it down on the back. So the blue from the phone is a little different, but when you look at the combination with the Pacific Blue and the Midnight Blue from the Caseology, looks really nice, guys. Look at this. Oh man, really beautiful. And the little lip here, it's not too it's not stuck over the screen too much. As you can see, I have a screen protector here, and I still have a nice gap in between, so it's right on the edge of the phone, but the height of this lip is nice. It'll give it a nice protection, if just in case your phone falls on the face or you decide to put it down face down. So really nice. So if you were looking to get this case, I would definitely recommend just going ahead and get it. It looks really nice. The design, the pattern on the back here, oh man, feels really nice, grippy, not slippery at all, guys. Really nice. So again, this is the Caseology, and this is a Parallax case, as you can see right here, Parallax for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is the midnight blue. So I'm gonna have the link up in the description for these, and you can go ahead and purchase it there if you're interested in getting one of these cases for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Let's take a look at this again. So look at the sides going around, have your nice cutout here. Nice, guys, really nice design on this case. Look at this, nice little design. So as I said before, I'm gonna have the link for this in the description, and you can go ahead and purchase it there. Okay, so thank you for watching, everyone. Remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. All right, peace.